Ready to transform your stunning Figma designs into a live, breathing website. First, select the element you want to convert and right-click from the Properties panel. Find Copy as CSS and copy it to your clipboard. Now, open your code editor and create a new CSS file, or navigate to your existing style sheet. Paste the CSS code you copied from Figma into your CSS file. Return to Figma and select the same element again. This time, look for Copy as HTML and copy the element's HTML structure. Open your HTML file and paste the HTML code you copied in the intended location. Make sure your HTML file is properly linked to your CSS file. Open your HTML file in a web browser to see your Figma design come to life. Check that the elements are displaying correctly and fine-tune your CSS. Repeat these steps for each element of your design, refining your code as you go, and you'll have a fully functional website built from your Figma masterpiece.